Do you want to know if you can really make money clicking emojis and if you could potentially earn more than $3 per click and maybe even hundreds of dollars per day as some videos claim, or how it really works? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael, and recently I came across quite a few videos about creators that claim that you can easily earn a lot of money just by clicking emojis, and a lot of viewers on my channel have then asked me about whether this is true and how it really works, and therefore I wanted to record this video because there is some truth to what they say, some of these videos, because there is a way to earn by using the method they show, but there's also a lot of details you are not told, and therefore I wanted to record this, show exactly how it works so you know what you can really expect and if this really is a way for you to make money or not. So let's first talk a little bit about the claims that I have seen and that many viewers on my channel have seen and therefore have asked me, because you can see some people say you can earn unlimited $30 by clicking emojis over and over again. Here, $4 per click, more than $4 per click, $467 daily, $400 per day, $4 per click. You see all these things, all these claims, $2 per click, 73 cents per click. It looks like you can become rich by clicking emojis by just watching these videos, but the thing is, none of these are completely transparent about how it really works. They are just trying to get views, and unfortunately they have gotten a lot of views, but I just know that if you believe this, you will get disappointed. This is not how it really works. So let's talk about the method and how it really works and what you can really expect, so you will know if this is for you or not, so you go into it with the right expectations if you decide this is for you. So the method that most of these videos talk about is by using a platform called Flaticon or a similar platform, and this is a platform you can see they charge people for buying different icons and different emojis, and because they charge people for getting access to these different emojis, you can see some examples of icons, stickers, whatever you call it, then they also need creators to create these, and that is where we come in, where we can earn by doing this. You would need to join as a contributor, go to the platform and do that. But what's important to understand, first of all, this is the first clear sign that these videos that I showed you before, they are not really being transparent, because they say because it sounds good you can earn by clicking an emoji. That's not really the case. You can get paid to create an emoji, to create an icon, to create things like this. So that's the first thing you need to understand, that it's not like clicking it and then you earn. Like, you can earn by clicking ads sometimes on websites and doing that. And I have videos where I show that. I'll leave a link in the top corner. But clicking emojis, that's not really how it works. You need to create them and then you can get paid by doing that. So let's go over a bit more about what that requires so you can find out if that's the right option for you, because you need to become a contributor and you need to join, go to the contributor side and do that, and then you need to apply and you need to upload some samples of what you have done, and then if you get approved, then you can start earning. We'll talk a bit more about later how much you can then potentially earn. The advantage of using something like Flaticon, if you are good at creating icons and emojis like this, is that you can see they have over 12 million monthly visits and over 7 million users, so you get a lot of exposure and potentially can earn some nice money like that. But you just need to be aware that you cannot just join, click a button and then start earning. They have some requirements before you will get accepted. So you can see, if you go over the requirements, that there are some file requirements. So you need to be responsible for the authorship, meaning you can just not copy paste as other videos show you. You can just click a button and it will automatically generate it and you do not have to do anything. That's not how it works. You need to actually create these icons. So you can see, even though some videos claim that you can just reuse things and all that, you can see that if it has already been published on the website or if you copy it from somewhere else, it will not be allowed. And they have these other requirements that is important you need to go over. And this is something you need to do before you even get accepted. You need to look over this, you need to upload examples of your work, and then if you get accepted, then you can start creating, uploading it, and then if people download what you have uploaded, then you will be able to earn. But how much can you then earn? Let's go over that next. You can see they have some calculations on the website. They have a FAQ section for contributors. You can see there that how they calculate exactly how much you will get paid per download, because that depends on how many total subscriptions there have been that day and how many downloads, and then you will get a small percentage of that. But this also shows, if you want to go over all the details, you can go there. This is more to show you that the numbers that I showed some videos claim earlier, where like $3 per click, $4 per click, $467 per day, is just random numbers that has nothing to do with reality. They do not have any numbers like that, because how much you will earn will entirely depend on that day, how many times your icons have been downloaded and all this. So it's not just that simple. But you can earn, and you can also earn some decent money, but it will require an effort, and it's not super easy to build it up to making good money. Of course not. It will require quite some effort. You need to create quite a lot of different icons to be able to make good money like this. But how can you then get paid? Let's also talk about that. You see that to be able to get paid on Flaticon by creating these icons or emojis and all these things, then you need to at least earn $100 in a month to get paid. And if you do not earn that your first month, it will just carry over to the next, and then you have to wait until you've earned that. So that can take a little bit of patience. It's not impossible to do the first month, but that of course depends on your skills and how everything goes. And sometimes it's a bit of luck if your icons get exposure and all those, but you need to earn that. It's a fairly high payout threshold, but that's just how it is. But that's if you get paid via PayPal. If you want to get paid via Payoneer, it's only $50. So that's worth considering if you want to have the lower payout threshold. And you can see the first payment that will be generated 2 months from your first upload. So the first time you have to wait a little bit longer. But overall, some great payout methods, and they do pay. So if you decide this is for you and you put in the effort to earn, then it can be a way to make some extra money on the side online. As you can see, there is a way to use the methods that many videos show to earn by creating or making emojis and icons, but it's not just by clicking them, and it's not as easy as to say. You will not earn hundreds of dollars per day just by clicking emojis. That's not realistic, and that's why I wanted to record this video, because it kind of upsets me that so many people come and ask me like, oh, is this really true? No, it's not. And it's so sad to see that so many people will end up wasting time following the advice of videos like that is just clickbait, because this is not how it works. Yes, the method is real. It's not by clicking emojis, but you can earn on a platform like Flaticon, but not as easily as some videos claim, and that's why I wanted to record this. Many people asked me about it, so I hope this clarified everything so you could find out if this really truly is a way for you to make some extra money online or not. And if it helped you, then make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time there's a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make some extra money on the side online.